Rajiv, first of all, a warm welcome to Glitz Vision USA, and congratulations. I mean, surviving in the show for so many weeks, and and I would also like to say you that you were like a breath of fresh air. I mean, in the house where people they were planning, they were plotting, insecurity, jealousy, you were the entertainment question, and you were actually like the breath of fresh air.
Thank you so much. How sweet of you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
I'm
much.
glad you said that. Thank
Okay.
you so
Okay.
much.
So Rajiv will start with the interview. So tell me something. Of course, जो भी आपकी पूरी बिग बॉस की जर्नी रही है, ओके, ऑफ कोर्स हम एक माइंडसेट लेके जाते हैं एंड होता बहुत कुछ अलग से है. सो इफ आई हैव टू से टू पिक टू थिंग्स इन दिस होल जर्नी जो आपको कभी नहीं लगा था कि आप वैसा करेंगे या ना वो चीजें करेंगे या फिर वो चीजें बोलेंगे, एंड टू सरप्राइजिंग एंड शॉकिंग मोमेंट्स जो आपको कभी नहीं लगा था कि आपके साथ होगा या फिर वो आपके साथ ऐसा करेंगे, तो वो कौन सी चीजें होंगी?
I think surprising things actually सच में टास्क किया. मुझे पता नहीं कभी टास्क कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं. जो बिग बॉस के घर गया था और जैसे मैंने टास्क किया और मैं जीता था टास्क like the two abilities I got, I was like, वाह राजीव तूने क्या कमाल कर दिया. I wasn't expecting that at all. दूसरी बात, खाना पकाने के लिए मैं घर पकाता हूँ खाना, पर तो हर रोज बाहर 15 लोगों को रोटी बनाने के लिए थेपला टिक्की पूरी जो भी बनाया मैं तो पक चुका था. करेला देख के, बेल पेपर्स देख के, आलू देख के, प्याज देख के, I was tired. Like आटा, I used to have pain in my hands कि मैं इतना आटा बुनता था. मैं my back went रोटी पकाकर. I was making 150 rotis a day. I mean, it was not, these people are bookers, like the banders they want to eat all the time. And I said that तुम लोग को पतले नहीं होने घर पे क्या? But ऐसे खाते थे. Even I was like that as a booker also. So I mean, it's a lot of food, and I didn't realize मैं इतना कर पाता घर पे.
Okay.
Shocking चीज थे. There was nothing really shocking for me in the house that happened. I mean, जो भी हुआ था मेरे साथ, it was a learning for me, it was an experience, and I took it in a very positive light. So, some things that happened directly to me, I didn't actually think it was a big thing until it happened after. जो लोग बोला हाय इसने ये बोला वो बोला, and तब जो हुआ था, I just thought चलो let it be, because I don't want to spoil anyone's relationships in the house with anybody. And I'm always very conscious कि जो मैं बोलता हूँ शो में किसी का बाहर का असर ना हो किसी के साथ, because in a live show like this I don't want to spoil anyone's image outside or make them feel bad that when they go outside मेरी वजह से उसका लाइफ खराब होगा. तो I just let things be a bit. I took it inside me, I forgave it inside, and then I let it go.
Right. And people really love you. I mean, I'm sure आप वीकेंड के वार पे जो क्वेश्चंस आते थे या फिर जो सिलेब आते थे, आपको ये तो पता ही चलता होगा कि लोग आपको प्यार बहुत करते थे. बट एनीथिंग विच, अगर आपको कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि नाउ दैट यू आर आउट ऑफ द हाउस एंड आपको कुछ तो पता चला ही होगा कि लोगों ने आपके बारे में ये राय बनाई है, बट यू आर एक्चुअली नॉट दैट. इट कैन बी अ सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल, इट कैन बी अ लार्जर अमाउंट ऑफ पीपल. सो एनीथिंग विच यू वांट टू से ऑन दिस थिंग?
See, I don't think that when I come out of the house, it's very, very positive. And I am who I am. I'm very comfortable in my own skin. And I think everyone's entitled to judgments in life. I mean, people might love me. There must be sexual people that don't like me, which is fine, because, you're seeing a 1.5 hour show. Like when I went to the Big Boss, for example, I had perceptions about Nishant, that Saap, jisa hai, wo hai, which I openly said. But when I went to the house, I found it really nice. Like, 1.5 घंटे के show में, और किसी को रहने के लिए 24 घंटा, to know them as a person is very different. So the perception you see on TV and the perception I experienced being inside the house are two different things. So I think सब लोग entitled to उसको own opinions के लिए, as long as आप comfortable हो, आपको पता है कि आप क्या हो, so it doesn't matter what people think. But honestly speaking, जब मैं घर से बाहर आया, it's been nothing but positive. So I'm so happy.
Right. Okay. And if I can ask, one thing, because there were moments, when we have seen you, there were, emotional breakdown moments for you. And starting में तो खुद आपने admit किया था कि 5 दिन तो आप सिर्फ रोए, I believe एक weekend के वार का episode था. So if you have to pick one, what was that one moment which really, it was an emotional breakdown moment and काफी थोड़ा, push लगा, effort लगा अपने आप को वापस, काम करने में, compose करने में, तो वो क्या moment होगा?
I think में जो भरकत था, एक जो करण के ऊपर भरकत था, that task with वो task में शमिता और सबके साथ लड़ पड़ा कि मैं बीच में हूँ, तुम चारों तुम. That for me was an outburst, because see, सब लोग ये घर में एक दिन ही होगा सबके साथ कि वो you build up होते हैं, and that for me triggered था. I was like, and I had to take all of that out because I was so frustrated. And it was a very small thing I was frustrated about. I'm thinking, after this, kya इतनी बवाल किया टीवी के ऊपर इसकी वजह से यार. But that time, that week was so stressful because VIPs आए थे अंदर, वो unfair खेलते हमारे साथ, हमारा पैसा जा रहा था. हर टास्क में डिफरेंट ना कुछ चाबी लगाते थे टास्क के अंदर, तो we were not getting anywhere. And it was frustrating. So I think I wish I didn't react that way, but ये natural चीज था. Like
जी
I was being natural, just me. I just had that time. I was like, गुस्सा आ रहा है, and I just want to take it out. And I know me,
yeah
जब मैं गुस्सा निकालता हूँ ना, फिर मैं ठंडा हो जाता हूँ. तो यही
जी
हुआ.
जी 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 एंड एनी मेमोरी यू रिकलेक्ट वेयर यू नो यू कुड हैव बॉस बिकॉज जैसे आपने कहा बिल्डअप होता रहता है धीरे धीरे सो दैट वन पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट जहां पे आप अपना पेशेंस लूज कर सकते थे यू नो चीजें वुड हैव गॉन ऑन अ बैड वे बट यू रियली केप्ट योर काम आपने खुद को समझाया एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू शेयर अ लाइट ऑन
I think you know what. I don't let myself come to that position ever. I deal with it very quickly because सब बोलते तू flip पर है, bro. It's like नहीं है. उसकी इसकी answer क्यों था? Because the reason the question came was because you don't have a stand. और तू सबको माफी बहुत जल्दी करता है. और तू सबके साथ दोस्त है. I mean, I forgive people like that. I don't keep anything in my heart because मैं ऐसे इंसान हूँ कि मतलब मुझे इफेक्ट हो रहा है तो मैं सो नहीं पाऊंगा मेरा हेल्थ के ऊपर असर होगा तो आई मेंटली accept it process it forgive it and then release it because that's the best way in life not to keep inside your heart लोग and I can't एक मुद्दे मिर्च के ऊपर और टास्क के ऊपर मैं किसी के साथ क्यों ना दिन चार बात करूं no one knows when we're going to leave the show I don't leave with any bad with anybody so I was like you know like in this show it's too short for us to start arguing शायद मैं गलत था कि मैंने extend नहीं किया but I didn't feel that I felt if I argue with somebody it's okay to sort it out within 2-3 hours and you know जब ठंडा दिमाग से जब लोग गुस्सा कम होते हैं and I felt every day by the time I sleep मुझे सबके साथ ठीक रहना है because I don't want to sleep with a heavy heart for anybody
Right. But Rajiv, as a contestant, of course, viewer में तो अभी आप जब show देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा. But as a contestant, do you think VIP, I mean ये जो ex Big Boss contestant जो आपके show में अभी हाल में शामिल हुए थे, do you think घर उससे ज़्यादा entertaining बना? Because what we saw as a viewer was more of you know fight yelling. So do you really think कि घर उससे ज़्यादा entertaining बना? As a contestant, I'm asking.
To be honest with you, I think either stressful बना हमारे लिए entertaining. Rakhi obviously was entertaining for us for sure, but it was very stressful with everybody else because the tasks were very one-sided. And हम जो भी करते थे, Deverina loophole ढूंढती थे कि ये नहीं. So it became very frustrating. हाँ, Rakhi was the only positive thing of coming in the house because she really made it fun for us, and I love Rakhi Sawant so much. So I love her.
Right. And you know, सबसे ज़्यादा किसे miss करेंगे? And I'm sure you're going to miss the house and you know everything. किसे मिस करेंगे
So I think मैं शमिता और उमर को ज्यादा मिस करूंगा घर पे कि शमिता है ना उमर मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है घर में तो these two for sure I'm going to miss a lot.
So I'm going to give some words and आप उन words से जिसे भी associate करते हो आपको बस उनका नाम लेना है. Cool. So the first is in that Big Boss house आपके हिसाब से who's the most caring person?
Daring?
Caring.
Oh, caring.
Yeah.
Shamita, yeah, she's very caring. And see, Shamita, for me personally, Shamita and Umar were very caring towards me. So I can say these two.
Okay, cool. Genuine. Who is the most genuine person you found?
You're asking me the questions. I'm giving the same answers, Shamita and Umar.
It's okay. You can repeat the answer. That's not a... So Shamita. Yeah. Cool. Okay, who's the most irritating person according to you? Who irritated you?
Pratik was irritating me a lot because वो चुप ही नहीं होता है भाई यार. He's a very sweet person. वो चुप नहीं होता यार. बोलने नहीं देती मुझे. भाई साहब मैं चोफिया का हाथ दे दिलाऊंगा आप चुप हो मौन व्रत रखो दिन के लिए. इसमें भी राजी नहीं था.
Okay, cool. Who आपके हिसाब से सबसे ज्यादा फेक कौन था?
Fake, I felt that Bichukta is fake, and I felt Devolina's acting a bit fake at the moment with controlling Rakhi, controlling everybody. So
yeah, that we also felt at some point of time. Okay, who do you think as winner of Big Boss? Of course, वो तो Big Boss के हाथ में है जनता.
Shamita, obviously. I want Shamita, Umar. But let me give you a top 5. Obviously, Shamita, I would love to win. I would love Umar to be there. I love Rakhi to be there. Rashmi and either or Karan or Teju. So that's my top 5.
Okay, cool. Okay, dominating. Who was the dominating person जो सबको dominate बहुत करता था?
अब भी इसी वक्त डेवलिना है. अब भी इसी वक्त बहुत dominating है भाई साहब. And दुश्मन मेरी बन गई इसकी वजह से because I didn't listen to what she says. And जब आप हाथ में नहीं हो तो दुश्मन बचाते हो उसको.
Cool. Okay, this is the most asked question I believe to every Big Boss contestant. जो भी believe.
Tejan.
Yeah. So is Tejan real or fake? As a contestant, what do you say?
It is real. Very much real.
Okay.
I've seen too much to think it's I know it's real because they've cowed me to my limits with their romance. So I know it's real. And Big Boss has kept us up all night saying, Teju, फुसफुसा के बात मत करो. करण फुसफुसा के बात मत करो. पूरी रात ऐसे मैं चप्पल उठा के फेंकूंगा तुम लोगों की. तुमने ऐसे ही बात की अभी. आज मुझे सोने दो. Like they're too much in love.
Okay. Who has kept his or her promises the most? Of course, हर टाइप भी किसी न किसी ने break किया, but one person who has kept the promises the most.
To me personally.
Personally or in the house, जो आपने देखा.
Shamita and Umar, because obviously I could trust them and they always in task kept the promises. But इसके अलावा would be personally, I would think Rashmi.
And what was the name you first said before Rashmi?
So Shamita and Umar have always kept the promises with me, because even Umar in tasks, he's always played with me in tasks, and he always was very fair. And Shamita obviously was a given. So Shamita and Umar were always trustworthy, and to me totally. And Rashmi, I was becoming more of a friend day by day, because I knew her outside anyway. But she was also very trustworthy. So these three.
Okay. Last two questions, and we'll wrap this up. Who's the Sherni of the house, according to you? मतलब जो है the Sher and Sherni of the house.
Sher, I would think, is Umar. Sherni is Shamita. I'm giving all my true answers, by the way.
Okay. Who has given the less contribution? Of course, सबने contribution दिया है घर में.
Abhijit Bichukle. And why is he in the house? And why am I not in the house?
Okay. And lastly, किसके साथ आप touch नहीं रखना चाहेंगे, Rajiv?
Oh, those kind of questions, huh? Acha. See, I don't think Butch Shukla के साथ मैं touch में जाऊंगा, because मुझे समझ नहीं आती क्या बोलते हैं, confusing लगता है मुझे. If I'm finding confusing in the house, तो बाद में बिल्कुल confused हो जाएगा. So I think Butch Shukla and me, if I see him, I'll be very cordial, very nice to him. If I see him outside, but I don't think there'll be any communication between us outside.
Right. Okay. So on this note, Rajiv, first of all, thank you so much. You entertained us in the
My pleasure.
Even entertained in the interview as well. So thank you so much for that. And Rajiv, any last message to the people? A lot of people didn't know you before entering Bigg Boss house. A lot of people now, of course, know you. तो आगे क्या plan है? कुछ अगर आपने थोड़ा भी सोचा है तो?
See, आगे obviously I'm getting a few calls for other stuff, which is already started happening. So obviously मैं उसकी भी ध्यान दूंगा मैं. But it's not the end; it's just the beginning, and I think that you'll see a lot of me more. And I want to be in the entertainment space, because I always मेरा mantra life का ये है कि अपने आप को like laugh on yourself. If you can laugh on yourself, you can do anything in the world. So मेरा है कि अपने आप हंसो and then make other people laugh. So if by being me, it can make people laugh. It's the best medicine.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Raji, for the lovely
for
your future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Adnan Khan.
And this is Isha Singh.
And you're watching us both on
Glitz Vision
USA.
Yeah.
Thank you.